and then what happens over time.
Got chips.
Anytime that you cut through like hardened materials, like glass or like this metal, if you leave a corner, if I was just to cut in and leave a corner, that would be a place for cracks to start. Right? You'd start to get cracks off the edge. Something about that corner creates a tension in the metal that creates a crack. And when you get something hits your windshield, you get a little star there, and it starts to crack off of that little star. There are some systems for like grinding that circular and putting some resin in there that will stop it. And it's the idea that you're grinding it circular to get those little beginnings of the cracks away. That's what that does. It creates low tension around those little cracks. Why do I have some with plugs in them? Why do I have some with little question marks? When the saw's running over there and you hear that sound of the saw running, what is that making that sound?
Motor.
No, it is the blade.
The blade flying through the air. If I take the blade off and start the saw up, it's almost dead quiet.
It's the blade.
It's the blade flying through the air. It keeps flying through the air. That also makes a lot of noise. So some companies say, I'm going to fill it up.
A whistle sound, right?
Yep, I'm going to fill it up, and I'm going to fill it up with like a brass or a bronzy material that will dissipate heat faster than this one. So it draws the heat to it, and it dissipates heat. Other companies will get around it by making that little question mark, so that the end of it is all the way in the inside of it. So it doesn't crack. Sometimes you get the little question mark with a little hole at the end, a little teeny tiny hole.
No, yeah.
It's interesting to find out the evolution of tools.
Yep.
How many times did that have messed up?
Yeah, how many times they crack, or do they have solid blades that got wiggly and got kicked back?
The idea is also when you put it in and people drop the video so they can do
Same idea. Keep it from cracking further, right? So that's a little bit about blades. We're going to leave this blade on here. I think this is like an all-purpose blade. We thought these things had like there's probably 60 teeth on that, 38 teeth on that.
What do you count your teeth? How do you start counting them?
Usually you can
It
it says it, but it's missing, but you can take a quarter of it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40 teeth.
40 teeth.
Right?
Oh, it's indicator too. I mean, it's
All it is.
yeah, it's indicator. So
That's
we
the
actually-
quarter of it.
Yeah, that's what he said, the quarter.
Sometimes
Counted
these
by the
are
quarter, how many
sometimes
times
these are in
they
there's 6 of these. So that one has like what 5 or 6?
Yeah, it's 5.
5 spaces, so you have to
Yeah,
multiply
it come
by
with
5.
5.
I know.
That one's 60 or 80.
It's 16 here, so
16, no, it's 80. 16. 50 and 30.
Yo, I keep doing it too.
Let's take a break and then we'll come back. 15 minutes, we'll come out here and we'll talk about the fences, talk about guards, and then we'll show you the